In our last video, we talked about the role of technology in a 21st century classroom. Now let's talk about the great myth of digital natives. Yes, as I mentioned before, our students were born into a world where quickly they were in front of some sort of screen. Does that mean that all of our students are naturally proficient with technology because of this? In short, no. A majority of students lack overall technological skills, especially the skill of using technology to create. They do excel in the ability to navigate, swipe, click, and consume content. Students have built these skills by repeating them over and over again. Unfortunately, students do not have the consistent opportunities to repeat and grow their creative skills using technology. With that said, it is our job to provide our students the time to learn, build, and possibly master these skills. I'm saying all this because I know there are art teachers who are afraid to infuse technology into their art room, and the reason being is because they feel like the students know more about technology than they do. And that's not the case. As I stated earlier, students know how to navigate and consume technology, but you as the art teacher have more knowledge and skill in creating. But I don't know how to use technology. I'm so bad with computers. Well, let's curb that fixed mindset and begin growing. You don't need to start with all the knowledge. All you need to do is allow your students the chance to use technology, and through the process, you will all learn together. Now that I've debunked the myth of digital natives, let's move on and talk about the positive effects of technology in the art room.